Okay, Narottam, so we will start. Okay. First day, do you know prayer slok, you know, Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu? Narottam? Okay. I will say, you just listen, and if you can repeat after me, you can try. Otherwise, just listen. Okay. Say, Ya Devi सर्वभूतेषु विद्यारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. So Narottam, this is the sloka of say goddess Saraswati, the goddess of say knowledge. So we just prayed to her that please bestowed with all the knowledge to us, and we were worshipping, offering. Okay. So we will start. In between the class, any doubt or say anything is there, you can call me, because I cannot see you. To see you, I have to come on the other side. Okay. So if it is not visible or something, anything issue is there, you can call me. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now. So this is your say book. We are going to discuss the topic from which, okay, that is class 7. Okay, so we will start with the first only. Okay, so topic 1 is numeracy. Okay, so in numeracy we are going to see the overview, set A and set B. What is that overview, set A and set B? We will directly go into that.
I can't see properly.
Okay, wait, I will zoom it.
Can you zoom out a bit, because it's too it's slides I can't see properly.
Now can you see? Can you see?
Yeah. Yeah, I can see.
Okay, so is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible, but like sometimes it's not like really
Okay. Okay. So see, this is in this we have to see the three topics. First is overview, that is just an introduction of the chapter. Mainly two topics we are going to see in this first chapter called say numeracy 1. Okay. So overview, introduction we will go through. In that only introduction is there. Say numerous videos and interactivities are embedded just where you need them at the point of learning in your learn on title at this website. This website are you using jackplus.com.au? So you can use that. Maybe from the school you can get the registration code also, so that you can use. I have already searched this website, but to use it say we need a registration code. Okay, so that I don't have, otherwise I would have gone through it. But from school you can easily get that password for students, so that you can use the content which is there on the website. Okay,
Okay.
so they will help you to learn content and concepts covered in this topic. So first is, why learn this? Why are we learning this numeracy one, this topic? Why are we learning this? So see, understanding numeracy helps us make sense of mathematical ideas and how they relate to everyday life. Means if we understand this first topic, if we understand the numeracy, it will help us in day to day life also. How it will help, that we will see after seeing the questions, we can easily correlate that yes, it is very useful, because in life, so many, in everyday life, so many questions are there. Like say I want to buy a pen, or that cost say around maybe say 10 rupees. Okay, in rupees I will tell. So 10 rupees it will cost, and say someone is tell I want to buy 10. So total how much money I need, so you can correlate how much.
100
Suppose
rupees.
100 rupees, suppose one pen is of 10 rupees and I want 10 pens, so how much money I want?
100 rupees.
Yes, correct. So that much easy. But like that, all these stuffs will we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay. So see, numeracy includes counting. In this chapter we will see counting, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. That all we are going to see. Division, fractions also, means any number which is like say 2 by 5. Okay, or say 1 by 2, which is equals to half, 0.5, or say 1 by 2. But if we are writing in 1 by 2 form, so it is a fraction. So fractions also we are going to see. Decimals also we are going to see. That means say the numbers which have the point, decimal point, say just like I told just now, that half. So if you are writing half like 1 by 2, then it is called fraction. But if you are writing 0.5, then it is called a decimal. Okay. And then measuring, understanding shapes and graphs, all these things we are going to see in this chapter. So first, what do you know? So say, list what you know about numeracy. Use a thinking tool such as concept map to show your list. Say share what you know with a partner and then with a small group. And lastly, say share in a classroom. Say create a thinking tool such as a large concept map that shows your class knowledge of numeracy. So these things we are going to see, only you and me are there in the classroom. So we will do this. How? I will tell you, I will teach you one concept, and then you will understand. If doubt is there, you will ask me, and then if you have understood, then I will give you another questions same like that one, so that it will be cross check also that you have understood properly or not. And at the end of the week we will have test also. Okay, so this is the learning sequence, so we can start. Okay, so set A, the we have seen three main topics are there. Introduction, that is overview, topic 1 and topic 2. Okay, so introduction is just about what we are going to learn in this chapter. So we have seen we are going to learn in this chapter several numeracy which are helpful in day-to-day life, and we are going to learn about say subtractions, multiplication, division, okay, or say addition, then fractions, decimals, all those things we are going to learn. So starting with the second topic, that is set A. In that set A is there in which calculator is allowed. So you are allowed to use calculator. Do you use calculator? Narottam?
I never used it in the test in my life.
Okay. So you can ask that which type of calculator is means is permissible to use in school, because see, there are different types of calculators. Simple calculator is just like which is there in our mobile phone, simple calculator. Okay, other types of calculators are also there. Calculators are like say nowadays in watch also calculator are there, or say calculators like you can store the question answers also, those type of calculators are also there, but they cannot be used in schools or say in colleges, because if they are going to remember everything, what we will do? Okay, so you have to say ask, or you have to see that whatever exam you are going to give, in that exam which calculator we can use. Okay, because suppose in India particular type of calculator we can use everyday use, whatever calculator we are using, only that calculator we can use in schools also. And if you are going in higher studies, say college, then scientific calculator also we can use. So what is scientific calculator, that we will see by the passage of time, but we will see if I will show you calculator here also. I have to check that calculator is there or not. Say no, here it is not there. So I will download, or I will arrange something so that I can show you on the screen that how to use calculator. Say I can show you the image I can show you. Yes.
I can't see this screen properly. I can't see it properly. Like when you go to the other page now, this one like the other one, I can't see the screen. The lines are not visible.
Okay, let me do one thing.
Can you just like zoom out a bit on the mobile so I can see the full TV?
Okay, say wait a minute. Can you see now? Narottam.
Yeah.
So this is the simple calculator which we are using here. Okay, in schools also and in day-to-day life also. If you go to any shop to purchase something, you will purchase, and that shopkeeper, the vendor, will calculate on this. Okay, see, there are symbols like, say, this is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage also, that total value is say 100, and if we ask say please give us say 5% discount, 10% discount, so percentage also you can calculate with the help of calculator. All those things are there. You can check also that whatever entries you have done, you can correct also. If you have done any mistake while entering, you can correct it also. So there are different options to use the calculator, that we will see later point whenever we are using. Otherwise, this is the calculator. Okay, we are going to discuss numeracy 1 with the use of calculator, and numeracy 2 without the use of calculator. Means you should know how to say divide with the help of calculator also, and without the help of calculator also. Okay, both the things, both the knowledge you have, because say after all this education and all, after all, say finally you are going to work on a computer. So on a computer, what programs are there, how to use these things, data, that you should know. But before going to that, you should know in your mind, you can do all these functions without the help of calculator also. Because anyway, calculator we have only humans invented the calculator. It's not say it is powerful than us. Okay, so whatever a calculator can do, we can also do. So we should know how can we do all the calculations without the calculator. And with the calculator also, it's not that we are not going to use technology. We are going to use technology, we will use at the same time, we will be so much powerful that if technology is not there, then also we can count or we can solve any problem. Okay?
Okay. What does
Okay.
GT mean?
So this is just an image I have showed you. Again we will go to the our topic.
So what does GT mean?
Okay. So this is our topic. Now it is written that calculator is allowed. Can you see, right? You can see, right?
No, you can zoom out a bit.
Zoom out.
Yeah, from your phone you can like zoom a bit out. Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Okay. So say calculator is allowed. We will see how to do. Say we will start with the first question. What it tells. Our feet produce approximately 100 liters of sweat a year. Our feet, our legs, our feet produce approximately 100 liters of sweat. Sweat, you know, right? Sweat is.
Yeah.
So in a full year, our feet are producing 100 liter of sweat. That means both the legs, not only one. Okay. So both the legs in a year producing 100 liter of sweat. Okay. What next? Approximately how many milliliters of sweat do your feet produce each day? So the question is, in a year, I know, in a year 100 liter of sweat is produced. But they are asking in a day. Okay. Do you feet each day? They are asking each day. The first question that say in a year I know say 100 liters of sweat is produced, and they are asking in a day how much sweat will be produced. So what can we do? Say, any guess? How can we proceed? Any guess, Narottam?
I think I have to do this on the paper, but what we have to do next is multiplication. Division. We have to divide 100 liters into 365 days.
Yes. Correct. Right. So first, what we will do? Total in a year there are 365 days. We know.
Yeah.
Okay. So see, let me do one thing. Okay. So I will do the calculation on the other side. Okay. So question I know that in a year, say 100 liters of sweat per year our feet are producing. Visible, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not that visible, but okay.
Okay. Say.
I can't still see the side part.
Now.
Can you like zoom out a bit? No, like I can't see the thing. Can you? Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Ah.
I want to see the full logo.
Okay. So 100 liter of sweat per year we are producing. So first of all, in a year 365 days are there. So I can write 100 liters of sweat in 365 days.
Yeah.
So I can put an equation like, if in 365 days, in say days, I can write in short, in days, how many days? Say 365. In 365 days, how much liter of sweat we are producing? So say sweat is 100 liters. So my question, in 365 days, I am producing 100 liter of sweat. So in say one day, each day they are asking, that means in one day how much liter of sweat is produced. So I can cross multiply it like this. So say 1 into 100 divided by 365. Done?
Yeah.
Okay. So 100 divided by 365, the answer I will get. Now they have told us that I can use the calculator. Okay. So this calculation, this division I can do by myself also, by doing in note pane that how to do 100 divided by 365. But they have told that I can use the calculator. So what shall I do? I will search for say online calculator. Otherwise I will search here so that I can show you how to do. Or say
Yeah. So the answer is going to be.
you got the answer?
It shows 3.7 milliliters.
How much?
3.65. 3.65.
Okay. 100 divided by 365 you have done.
Let me check. I did 365 divided by 100.
No, not that. We have to do 100 divided by 365. Because what they have told, in these 365 days we are producing 100 liters. So in one day how much? So 100 divided by 365. Otherwise it will be easy. Okay, so see, let me check a calculator. Wait a second.
Yeah, it's 27 milliliters. It is B. Yes.
Narottam, do you have calculator right now with you?
Yeah, I got it.
You have the calculator? Yes, very good.
Went on. Yeah.
Yeah, correct. So in this, do 100 divided by 365.
100 divided by 365 is going to be equal to 0.2759. Okay, so the answer is going to be 27 milliliters.
0.27.
27. There is so many other numbers.
Okay, tell me the correct number. 0.27
0.276. 0.2739.
39. Okay, wait a minute. 0.2739. Now, wait a minute. I also bring calculator. Just 5-10 seconds.
Okay, yeah, I'll do it.
Okay, Narottam. So see, I also have the calculator same like you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll do say 100 divide by 365. So I got same what you told 0.2739. Okay. So whatever answer we have got, see here, what are the units? Here days are there. So 365 days and here 1 day. So same unit. So here also we will get the same unit. What? Here 100 liters are there. So this is what? This is also in liters. You got the answer?
Yeah.
This is the answer. But the question is somewhat different. What they are asking, that approximately how many milliliter of sweat do your feet produce? So the unit is not liter. What we got liter, that is not there. The unit is milliliter. So do you know?
The answer is going to be 27 milliliter.
It will be not 27. It will be say 273. Why?
273. There's no option is 273. Number one.
Yes, 273 is not there, but number 1 is there, which is nearer. That is 270.
Okay, yeah, now I understand.
Yeah, but how we are getting that, that I will explain. Do you know milliliter unit?
Yeah.
So say, do you know 1 liter? 1 liter is equals to how many milliliters?
Yes.
How many?
1000.
Yes, correct. So we are knowing that 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So I have how many liters I have? I have say 0.2739 liters I have. So again same type of equation, how many milliliters? If 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter, then this much liter is equals to how many milliliters? See, the thing you should know very carefully is up and down, both the limit should be, both the unit should be same. This is in liter and this is also in liter. We have got this much, okay, 0.2739. So say 0.2739 liter and this is also liter. So here ml is there, so our answer also will be in ml. So how to get it? Again cross multiplied. So say 0.2739 multiplied by 1000. Cross multiplied, divide by the whatever first thing we have wrote. So they divide by the 1. So here what can I do? 0.2739. So I can write like this, say 273.9 into, if I put the decimal towards the, say that you know, if you put the decimal, or say if you move the decimal towards the right hand side, then you have to do 10 raised to, okay, say 10 raised to minus 3 into say 1000 divided by 1. How I have written this, that you understood?
Yeah.
Okay. The thing is, what I have told, if you put that, first I will explain that. Say, if I have 365.98 and if I tell you I want say 3.6598 answer, so into 10 raised to what will be there? 10 raised to, say, can you answer?
Sorry?
This is my question. This is 365.98.
Yeah.
I want to convert this number in this form, 3.6598. See, numbers are same, but decimal point is at different location. So into or say divide, what can I do? Into say 10, or say into, or say multiply by 100, multiply by 1000, or say divide by 10, or divide by 1000, or divide by 100. Do you know how to do that?
Yeah,
Okay.
I know one thing that the decimal has been moved two places.
Hmm.
So I know if it's going to be dividing or multiplying, it is going to be 100. So now I have to figure out if is it dividing 100 or multiplying. So I'm not sure if dividing is going backwards or multiplying is going backwards. I have done it before, but I am
Okay.
not really sure. I think it is dividing because the thing gets smaller and smaller.
Okay. So let me tell you how to do it. Suppose, simply I'll tell you, if you move decimal point towards the right hand side, number system you know, right? This is the number system. This is the 0, this side 1, this side -1, this side 2, this side -2, right?
Yeah.
Number system. Okay. So just I am giving you trick how to remember. If you go to the right. So if you go to the right, the numbers are positive. But you have to do 10 raised to minus the number. 10 raised to minus the number. How? I will tell you. Suppose, first of all, opposite you have to do. First of all, where you want to go, your decimal is here. How many digits you want to go ahead? Say 1 and 2. Like that, 3.65 you know, you want.
Yeah.
So two decimal points you want to move. So it will be 10 raised to power, raised to or 10 to the power 2 will be there. Why 2? Because two locations you want to move. If you want to move only one digit, or say one digit you want to move, then 10 raised to 1 will be there. If you want to move 3 digits, then 10 raised to 3 will be there. Understood? Simple.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the thing is, 10 raised to plus 2 also will be there, and 10 raised to minus 2 also will be there. So if you are moving towards left, so in the number system, if you go towards the left, the numbers are minus. So in this you have to do plus. Means 3.6598 is there. See, I'll rub all these things. So this is there, okay. Or say my decimal point is here 365.98 and I want 3.6598. So I have to go on the left hand side. Left hand side in the number, this is a trick, this is not a rule, just trick to remember that you are going to left hand side. Left hand side numbers are negative, so 10 raised to positive will be there. So how can we write this number? We can write like this: 3.6598 into 10 raised to 2. Understood?
Yeah.
Suppose same question I am telling you. This is the question, and the number I want, that is 36.598. This number I want, 36 point. So how can I write this number in this form? 10 raised to what will be there? 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. What can I write?
You have to write. So you want to make it there. So you have to do 10 raised to the power 1.
10 raised to power 1 minus 1 or plus 1?
Plus 1.
Very good. Very good. So I have to move. See, we are going deep. That's why you don't see that in how much time we are doing one numerical. It's not like that. It's about the concept. If you understand the concept very well, then all the numericals, all the questions you will do in say seconds. Okay, so we are putting the base very clear. Okay, so you have told the answer is 36.598 into 10 raised to plus 1. Very good, correct. Now I will give you another example so that I can know that you have understood. Okay. Say 1234.567. This number is there. I want like this. First 123.4567. Second 1.234567. Third 12345.6.7. Now I have to multiply it with 10 raised to something. I have to multiply 10 raised to something. I have to multiply 10 raised to something. Now you just tell me these powers. These powers you tell me what I can write here, here and here, so that this number and this number are equal. This number and this number are equal. This number and this number are also equal. So see, got it? Question, you got it?
Yeah, right, you will do it.
Yeah, so you tell me.
Okay, so the first one, so question number 1 is going to be so that so 1 minus 1.
10 raised to 1, very good, correct answer.
Yeah, minus 10 raised to 1, sorry.
And second?
Second is going to be plus 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 10 plus 10 to the power 3.
Very good, nice.
And then the last one is so minus 10 to the power 2. No, 1, 2, yeah, 2.
Minus 2.
10 to the power 2.
Minus 2, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. So you got it. Yes, very good. You got it. So all three you have told the correct answer. One more, let me try. Say 0.0123456 multiplied by 10 raised to 10 raised to. Okay, I want like this.
Same question. Okay, so you want it like that. Let me see. So going minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 10 to the power 5.
10 to the power minus 5 or plus 5?
Minus. Wait. Let me think. Yeah, minus 5.
Why? It will be plus, right? Because we are going to the left side of the number system. Left side minus are there. Therefore 10 raised to plus. Here you have told, na? See, here you are going, say, left hand side. So you have done plus. Here also you are going left hand side. So also you have plus. Here you are going right hand side. So you have done minus. So here also we are going left hand side. See, decimal point is moving towards left hand side.
Sorry. I did it upside down. So I thought we were trying to find out if this is our number. We are trying to change it to 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
I got confused.
Okay, no issue. So here there will be say plus 5, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
If that's the case, please.
Yeah. Again, next question. See carefully. If I want, say 2 questions I will give. 0.000123456 into 10 to the power, and the sixth one is the 1234567 into 10 to the power. Okay, you tell me.
How much is that? Okay, I got it. So, question number 5 is going to be
Hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's going to be positive 7, 10 to the power 7.
Positive 10 to the power 7.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me check. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good, correct. And next,
Next is, where is the decimal in 6?
total 7 numbers are there and then 3 zeros.
Is there a decimal in that?
Decimal point is not there. Okay, so tricky question. If you can't see the decimal point, then where it will be? So
I know.
keep remember, you know.
I think it's going to be, so the decimal is going to start from the end, so 0, and it's going to go till.
Yes, correct. So if the decimal point is not visible, then you have to assume that it will be at 0. It will be at end.
Okay, so the answer is going to be negative 10 to the power. Wait, 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 10 to the power 6.
Negative 10 to the power 6, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
let me check. Say here we are. Say point number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Very good, correct. So 10 to the power minus 6.
Yes.
Understood thoroughly?
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Now the another thing. So this concept we have completed. Next one. Say if power is there like 10 raised to minus 2. So if I want to write 10 raised to minus 2 equal to 1 upon, what can I write?
No. I don't know.
Okay, no issue. See, how can we do it? First of all, we are knowing that 10 raised to minus 2 is equal to 10 raised to minus 2. Yes, both are equal, so we are putting equal. Okay, no issue. Now, if we are putting a number, if suppose it is there in numerator and if we are writing in the denominator, then its sign will change. Or if it is in denominator and if we are writing it in the numerator, again its sign will be changed. How? I will tell you. So if I have 10 raised to minus 2, if it is going in denominator, then its sign will change, so it is 10 raised to 2. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Wait, one more I did not understand. How did the minus go? Can you just explain that part? Otherwise, I understood the whole thing.
how what is your question?
How did it become a positive 2? Like.
Yeah. So see, you know that if it is say 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. This you know, right?
Yeah.
Now say if we are any number, if we are moving from say left hand side to the right hand side, we are changing its sign. Say here plus 2 is there, that is going to the, from the left hand side it is going to the right hand side, so we will change its direction. So what will happen, say 5 equal to 7, and this 2 from the left it will going to the right, so its sign will change. So say minus 2. So 7 minus 2 we are knowing 5, so 5 is equals to 5, that is true, right? This is also true, 5 plus 2 is 7, this is also true, 5 is equals to 5, like that. Okay, one another thing, this you understood, right? Simple.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, say now if I don't want to move number 2, I want to move number 5. So how I will do, say 2 is as it is, where here it is equal to 7. Now number 5 is going that side, so again it is going that side, so its sign will change. So 5 will become minus 5. So therefore,
Yeah, now I understand.
so this is also correct. 7 minus 5 is also 2. So 2 is equals to 2.
Yeah.
Okay. If minus is there, then also it is true. How? I will tell you. Say I will write 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. I am writing like this. So this is minus. I will move this minus 5 to the other side. So left hand side 7 is there. Okay, 7 is there. Equal to 2, 2. Now the number 5 with this sign minus, if it is changing its location, say if it is moving from right to left, or if it is moving from left to right, then its sign will change. So it is moving from left and going to the right, so it is minus on the left, so in the right it will become plus. So again 7 is equals to 7. I got. Clear?
Yes.
Same way in multiplication also, and this is addition and subtraction, and in multiplication and division same funda is there. How? I will tell you. Say 10 raised to minus 2 is there. So now don't do the same thing, otherwise you will write, say if it is in the right hand side, it will go to the left hand side, 10 raised to minus 2 will become 10 raised to plus 2. No, this is wrong. Okay, this will become like this. So how that I will tell you. Okay, so the way we have changed the sign of a number while it is moving from left to right, the same way in the multiplication and division, if some number is moving from top to bottom, or say bottom to top, its power will change. Its power, like it is on the numerator, say here in the denominator nothing is there, so I can write 1. If in the denominator nothing is there, I can write 1 always. So now if it is going down, so numerator to denominator it is going, so what I will write, say numerator nothing is there, again I can write 1. 10 raised to minus 2, it is going from top to bottom, so minus will become plus. So that's why I have wrote this like this. Say if I have like this, what, say 10 raised to minus 3.
So the same thing happens to fractions even.
Yeah, correct. So 10 raised to minus 3 is there. So what can I write? I can write 1 upon, what I can write?
You can write 1 upon 10 over minus 3 first.
Here I will write, say 1 upon 10 raised to, see it is numerator to, it is going to denominator, so we will change the sign. So here 10 raised to 3.
No, but what I'm saying, first it's going to be 10 to the power minus 3 over 1. Then it's going
Yeah. So the thing is, say I am writing 10 over say minus 5. So nothing is there. That means I can write 1. Again that will be equals to, here in the denominator, means what I am telling, say a number which is there on the right hand side. So if it is going on the left hand side, its sign will change. If it is positive, it will become negative. If it is negative, it will become positive while changing the location from right to left. The same way, if you move any number from top to bottom, its sign means not that number sign, but its powers sign will change. Okay, so if it is having say 10 raised to plus 2, so numerator, so in denominator it will be 10 raised to minus 2. If in the numerator it will be say 10 raised to minus 3, then if it is going in the denominator, it will become 10 raised to plus 3. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So say now I will tell you, say 10 raised to minus 5. So I can write, see if this I am writing in the denominator, so I can write like this. Now don't see here right and left, see like up and down. Okay, or say numerator and denominator, because we are not changing the sign of this number. Here I am not changing, I am changing here to the power, I am changing, not to the number. Understood?
Yes.
So I can write 10 raised to minus 5, so I can write 10 raised to plus 5, but in the denominator. If here 10 raised to plus 5 is there, so I can write 1 upon 10 raised to minus 5.
Yeah.
If I have 1 upon 10 raised to minus 5, then here what can I write?
That. Sorry, what is that number there? Is that 5?
Yes, 10 raised to 1 upon 10 raised to minus 5.
Yes. So that it's going to be equal to 10 to the power 5.
Very good. See here, that only 10 raised to minus 5. That is here. So if RHS, if LHS is equals to RHS, that means RHS is equals to LHS also. So here 10 raised to 5. Done?
Yes.
So I think if it is doubt, if anything doubt is there, whatever we have covered from last 10-15 minutes.
No, not really.
Okay, so again we are coming to our main questions. So I got like this. Now you understood how can I write say 0.2739. See 1000 as it is, this one as it is. Just I want to write this number in terms of fraction. Which fraction? Here 10 raised to 3 is there, 1000 means 10 raised to 3. So same way here I want 10 raised to minus 3. So how can I write? If this decimal is there, it is going towards the right, means 10 raised to minus I will do. So how much minus? Say 1, 2 and 3. So I have written 273.9, 10 raised to minus 3 and 10 raised to. From this step to this step, now you understood how I have written.
Yes.
1000 we have not touched. 1 again we have not touched to it. Just what I have done, I have just written 0.2739 is equals to 273.9 into 10 to the power minus 3. Only I have written, instead of this I have written like this, because both are same, that I know.
Yeah.
Done?
Yeah.
And again the decimal is moving towards the right. So in the right hand side, in the number system, numbers are positive, so 10 raised to negative, so 10 raised to negative. How much negative? The number digits you have moved. So you have moved 1, 2 and 3. So that's why 10 raised to minus 3.
Okay.
Now what I will do, say 10 raised to minus 3 is there. Again what just I have told you, if it is 10 raised to minus 3 in the numerator, if I want to write this 10 raised to minus 3 in the denominator, what I can write? See here, 273.9 into 1000 divided by 1 into See, all I have written except 10 raised to minus 3. Now 10 raised to minus 3 was in the numerator and I want to write it in the denominator. So I will write 10 raised to, instead of minus 3, I will write 10 raised to plus 3.
Okay.
Done?
Yeah.
Now see here, 1000 is what? 10 raised to plus 3, right?
Yeah.
So this 1000 and this 10 raised to plus 3, instead of 1000 I can write 10 raised to 3, or instead of 10 raised to 3 I can write 1000. So that means both are same, so I can cut it, cancel it. 1 is there, so 1, it is there or it's not there, 1 is there. So my final answer is 273.9. But what is this? Why 9? I have converted in ml. Why? The formula 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. Therefore, this much liter I have. So it will be how much milliliter? So again cross multiplied. So this multiplied by 1000 divided by 1. Then here I have exchanged 10 raised to minus 3. Minus 3 will go down, 10 raised to plus 3. Plus 3 and 1000 will cancel. So final answer is 273.9. But unit is important, that is milliliter. Understood?
Yeah.
So our question completes here. They are telling how many, see here, milliliters they are telling. Milliliters. Okay, they are telling how many milliliters. How many milliliters they are telling. First we have found in the liter. So the answer is say 0.27. So you will write 0.27 is not there. But if it is given 0.27, so don't go for 0.27. 0.27 is liter. And here all the units, check here, milliliter, 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 milliliter. What they have asked is also milliliters. So we have to convert liter into milliliter. So that's why we have converted liter to milliliter. How we have converted? Like this. So it will be 273.9 milliliter. Now we will see which answer is nearest one. So first answer is only nearest one, 270 and 273. Others are too far, 27, 37, 2.7. So correct answer is the A, that is 270 milliliter. Understood?
Yes.
Sure?
Yeah.
So see, we have covered first numerical, okay, and again as they have told that we are going to learn the numeracy so that we can deal with the day-to-day life problems. So see, this is day-to-day life. If someone is asking us that how much if your feet are producing 100 liters of sweat in a year, how much sweat will be produced in 1 year? So I can write, say, this much, 270 milliliter. Understood?
Yeah. Hello?
Visible, right?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay.
If it's okay with you, you can zoom out a bit so
Huh.
I can see the full TV.
Yeah. Like this?
No, can you zoom out?
Zoom in, okay. Zoom out, okay.
Yeah, zoom out. Yeah, that's good. Yes, that's good.
Okay. Done. So first answer is 270 milliliter. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, so we will move ahead with the second.
Sorry.
Okay. The second question is, the brain grows at an amazing rate during the development. We are knowing that our brain is growing at an amazing rate. Okay, very good rate. Okay. At times during the development, how much? 2,50,000 neurons. Do you have this textbook with you, or you are seeing directly on the board also? Board only.
Not the textbook next to me.
The same one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if question any doubt is there, you can cross check with the book also, physical book also. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So at times during development, how many neurons or say nerve cells? So say 2,50,000 neurons are added every minute. Means in 1 minute, 2,50,000 neurons are added. Oh, it is too cold.
What's the name?
See, neurons are like at this stage, I can tell you. Say it will be in science subject. Say our body is made up of cells. Okay. Cell means what? Just like a wall is there. Wall. So wall is made up of brick, right?
Yeah.
So same way, our body is made up of cells. So too many cells are coming together and our body is made. It is a biology branch of the science. So in cells, particular cells are there which are called neurons. What they will do? They will transmit the information. Suppose you have touched a hot cup of tea, and if you are just touching and oh, it is very hot, how can you know that it is very hot? You have touched. So the cells which are there on your fingers, they will sense this, that this is very high temperature. This information is going to your brain, and your brain will decide that oh, this is very hot. Take out your hand from that place, otherwise it will be burnt. That decision who will take? Brain. So brain will tell that take out that your hand. So our hand directly like this move. We will move our hand. So the decision is taken by our brain. But who will pass this information? Suppose postman is there. I am writing you a letter and postman will deliver it to you. Okay. So the postman who is carrying out the information, same way here postman is neuron. Okay. So it will carry the information that here 50 degrees Celsius temperature is there, do something. That information is going to the brain. Brain is thinking, oh, this much temperature, it is not good for the body. Just remove, just go ahead, or say run away from that place, or say just remove your, or say put out your hand from that place. So the information carrier are called neurons. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So in a minute, 2,50,000 neurons are added. Okay. If neurons multiplied at the given rate for an hour, what they are telling, if neurons multiplied at the given rate for an hour, means say in 1 minute there are 2,50,000 neurons. In 2 minutes, how many neurons will be there?
500 lakh.
Very good, correct. Same way they are telling in an hour, how many neurons will be there, neurons would be added. So this is a simple question. Okay, very simple. That see here we will discuss. Say neurons are given every minute. So say 2,50,000. Right? 2,50,000 neurons are added per minute. That means in 1 minute, in our body, in our brain, 2,50,000 neurons are added while our brain is developing at that time. Okay. The question is, this is in minute. In 1 minute, this much are added. So they are telling in 1 hour how much are added. So same way the previous numerical. First of all, the information given was in year, and then we have converted in the days. So that here information given is in minute, and we have to convert in say hour. Why? Because question they are asking is say in an hour, at the given rate for an hour, how many neurons would be added? How many neurons would be added? So in an hour, we know that 1 hour is equals to how many minutes?
60.
Yeah, 60 minutes. You can write like this also. 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour, or 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Both are correct. Okay. So now we will put the equation same like before. How? Say I'll write two equations. You tell me which one is correct. Okay. So say
Are the calculators allowed even in this question? Are the calculators allowed in this question too?
yes, calculator is allowed.
So can I use it?
Yeah, you can use.
Okay, so I got my answer then.
Mm-hmm.
The answer is wait, 0, 0. It is B. B.
B.
Because 60 multiplied by I did 60 multiplied by 250 lakhs.
Yes. So the answer you got is B.
Yes.
B for ball. Okay. So how that again you have multiplied, so let me check your answer is correct or not. So say we are knowing in say minute this much neuron. So I can write say in 1 minute neurons are added say 2,50,000. So say in 60 minute how many neurons? So simply we have to multiply 2,50,000 divided by say 1. So say 150, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So say 15. The answer is B. 3 and 3 6. So 3 and 3 6 correct. The answer you got B is correct. Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you only have done and you only have given the answer. Very good. So can we move ahead with the third question?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so what third question is telling? See, nerve impulses to and from the brain travels as fast as 274 meter every second. Means in 1 second, every second means in 1 second, the nerve impulse is there, it is traveling 274 meter, which is closest estimate of the number of meters a nerve impulse travels in an hour. So it is telling in 1 second it is traveling 274 meters in an hour, means say in 1 hour how much it will traveling. Okay, so can you have any idea how to do it?
Yes.
Okay, try it, or say tell me how we will do.
Yes, so what you have to do is, yeah. Oh, I think that's very good. Yeah, so what we have to do is with 274 multiplied by 60.
So see, yes. So you do and tell me the answer A, B, C, D.
Wait a second. Is it 274 and multiplied by 1 hour? 16. Average, okay. Okay, so average gets the closest answer to what I got. The closest is D. Hello?
Yeah, tell me.
The closest is D.
So ABCD, what is your answer?
D. Can you please zoom out again?
Yeah, the D, that is the last one, right?
Yeah. This is better.
Okay, the last one, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let me check what is given. Say in second, 1 second. So say in 1 second it is traveling 274 meter. So in an hour, so hour means how many second is there? 60 into 60, that is 3600 seconds are there. We know that in 1 minute, in 1 hour 60 minutes are there, and in 1 minute 60 seconds are there. So in 1 hour total how many seconds are there? 3600. Okay, so directly you can multiply, or first you can convert 1 hour into second, that is 3600. After it you can use 3600. If you are knowing directly you can multiply. So I am also using the calculator. 274 multiplied by 3600. So the answer is not the answer I have got is say 986,400.
Yeah, it is, the answer is actually C, because I thought it is here, it is showing every second. I thought every minute. So every
Okay.
second. Now it is C. Yes.
So that you have to see carefully. It is every second. If it is every minute, so what answer you got in every minute?
Every minute, 16,440.
Correct. So every minute the answer is 16,440. But say in every second the answer is 986,400. Now we have to answer which is the closest one. Now you just check which is the closest one, ABCD.
C is the closest one, because first I got B, but then I found out that it is 6,000 away from, and was 980,000, so it is going to be 990,000 because it's 4,000 away.
Yeah, so it is obvious that 1 and D are very far. So two are possible, say 980000 and 990000. So here we have 98 already we have. So say difference between, say you have to check the difference. So you can do what you can do, you can subtract from this minus, you can do 980000. This is your answer. This is your answer. This is your answer. Okay, now if I do this subtraction, so I will get 6400. So this is your B. This is your B. Okay. Again I will do the difference with C also. So my answer is 986,400. Then subtraction I will do with, now first I have done with B. Now I will do with this C. Okay. So say C is bigger one than this answer. So I will do, say, reverse. Say I will do, this answer is say B. So I will do say 99,000. 99, 1, 2, 3, 4 minus our answer. So if I do in the calculator 990000 minus 986400, the answer I have got is 3600. So you can clearly see that this difference is more. With B, this is my answer and this is C. So with B, the difference is more compared to the answer with the C. So this difference is less, and they have asked the closest one. So if the difference is very less, then it will be more closer. So the answer is C. C is the correct answer. Got it? And see here, calculator is allowed. So you can do this calculation directly on the by using the calculator. Don't directly do say mentally or say directly in the mind. Okay, it will take time. Use, if they are telling that you can use calculator, use calculator. And if they are not, if they are telling don't use calculator, you don't have choices. Okay, so this is the third one. Can we move to the fourth?
Yeah.
Okay, so you see fourth one, any idea? First let me read out so that you will understand. Fourth one, on an average human being blinks their eyes this much time each year. Essay, this blink, okay, the pupil. Okay, so in a year they are telling how many times do you blink in a day. I think you can do it, right?
Yeah.
So just give a guess, but here they have not given any options. In your book is there, just check it.
No, same for me.
Okay, not an issue, we will give exact answer because we have the calculator. So just give me the answer, what it will be.
One second.
Yeah, you take your time and tell me.
Times each hour. How many times do I blink in a day? In a year. So, okay, this is going to be easy. So, that was a big number. 6, 2, 0, 5, 2, 0, 5, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then divided by 365. Okay, 17,000.
17000, right?
Yeah, 17,000.
Okay, so say they are telling this much time. How much time? Say 6205 000 6205 6205 000 times per year, each year in 1 year. So 1 year is 365 days. So I can write 365 days. So in 365 days, human being blink 6205 000. So in 1 day, how many times? So I have to do only the division 6205 000 divided by 365. So 1700 is the 17,000 is the correct answer. Very good, Narottam. Okay, next one. Okay, solve. Very good. So fifth one, how much timber would be left if 1.75 meter length are cut from a 22 meter piece of timber? See, timber is say tree, okay, and it is very tall tree, say oak tree, timber tree. So from that tree we are making furnitures, okay.
Yeah.
So they are telling say we have this much long timber, okay, this much long timber wood, or say tree wood we have this much, okay, and if we are cutting total how many? 11, that you see 11, that is 11 timbers you are cut, and each are having length of 1.75 meters. So one timber, or say one piece length is 1.75 meter, and you are cutting 11 timbers. How much? The total is how much? Total is 22. So let me read. lengths are cut from a 22 meter piece of timber. So this much long is there na, its length is this much length from bottom to top. This is 22. Let me use another pen. Okay, say 22 meter. So total is 22 meter, and say like one piece they are cutting, and one piece length is say 1.75 meter. Like this you are cutting how many? 11 you are cutting, and they are asking that how much wood will be remaining at the last after cutting 11 pieces. So any guess? Can you do it?
Yes.
Okay.
X equals to 2 divided by 1.1.7. So 5 is going to be. Is it 22 divided by 1.75? 1.75 divided by 2.
Tell me what?
Is it 22 divided by 1.75 or 1.75 divided by 2?
No, actually we are not going to do with 22. See, understand the question carefully. What they are telling, 22 meter is the full length timber. Okay.
Yeah.
Now from that full length is 22 meter. Say first I have cut one piece from full timber, and one piece is say 1.75 meter, one piece. Then this length is what? How much? 1.75. Another also I am cutting. Its length is also how much? 1.75 meter. Another also I am cutting. Its length is 1.75 meter. Like that. How much I am cutting? I am cutting 1.75. How much pieces I am cutting? I am cutting 11 pieces. See here written. Where it is? Here say 11. So that's why I have written here 11 timbers.
You can't go over 11.
What?
So you can't go over 11. 11
Ah,
is 11.
yes. So one timber they are telling 1.75 meter, one piece of timber. So 11 pieces we are cutting. So first of all we have to multiply with the 11. So
Yes, I know. You have to multiply by 11 and minus the answer from 22.
yeah, correct. Do it and tell me the answer.
Okay. 1.75. I did 1.25. Okay, 19.5.
So you got the answer? No, not divided. See what you are doing.
Sorry, subtract.
Yeah, very good. Do it.
Yes, I'm going to do it now. So it's going to be 22 minus 22 is going to be equal to 2.75.
So the last answer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, correct. So 2.75 is the correct answer. So see, the basic thing is, Narottam, the calculations are important, but in what way we should do the calculation, that is more important. Suppose numbers are given to us 1.75 meter, 22 meter, 11 times, all these numbers are there. So I have to multiply 1.75 with the 22 or 1.75 with the 11, or say I have to divide say 11 by 22. What I have to do? So to do that, to understand that, you have to use the logic. Okay, that logic first you have to understood, then go for the calculation. If you directly jump out to the calculation, then you will think that okay, say I am knowing, and you will end up with the wrong answer. So first understand the logic, what they are asking, what they want. Okay, what they are asking. So in that sense, first you understand the question and then do the calculation. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so one more we will do. Okay, today, say the sixth one, what they are telling. See, on 3 tests a student scored a total of 255 marks. 3 tests were there and he scored total test 1 plus test 2 plus test 3, total scored 255 marks. If the student improved her performance on each successive test by 4 marks, means what they are trying to tell. You tell me what they are trying to tell. What was the mark for each test? Okay, what you are understanding after reading the question, that you tell me, Narottam, first, then we will decide, we will go ahead.
So what I understand is that total scores he got 255. I only got access several extra time to it, and now he's asking total answer he got 255, and now in each test he improved by 4 marks. So what I did, I'll stop by your it is correct. He improved by 4 marks, but the only problem with it, if you add it up, it's not 255. I went to B, and that was correct because when I added all the numbers, it was 255. Then if you see 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, the more difference. Then 85, it's 88, 4 difference. So that means B is correct.
Which answer is correct?
B.
B.
Yes.
Okay, so we will check. See. Now what logic we have to apply? First of all, they are telling total 3 tests and 255 marks. Say test 1 plus test 2 plus test 3. Total 255 marks one person got, one student got. Now he or she, her, so she is improving 4 marks in each test. Okay, so I don't know in test 1 how much marks is there, but 4 marks are added. So say plus 4. Here also 4 marks are added, and here also 4 marks are added. So total how many marks added? 4 plus 4 plus 4 matlab means total 12 marks are added. So I can add here 12. So 255 plus 12 is say 267. Now you just have to do that. If you add all the 3, in which answer you are getting 267. So do it by the calculator. See, I am doing in front of your camera. Say 80 plus 84 plus 88. So that is 252, which is wrong answer. I need 267. Then second, 81 plus 85 plus 89, and which I get 255. So which is correct, but I don't want 255. I want 267 because I have improved by 4 marks. 255 is before that, before improving. Now they have improved, so 255 is not there. My answer is 267. I should get. So say next is 78 plus 86 plus 91. So that is again 255. And last is 79 plus 83 and plus 87. So I am getting 249. So I think something is, let me read out once again. On 3 tests, a student scored a total of 255 marks. Okay. If the student improved her performance on each successive test by 4 marks. Okay. So test 1, what was it? Say in test 2, improved by 4 marks, and in test 3 again improved by 4 marks. Okay. So what was the mark of each test? So I think the answer is 255 plus not 12, it is say 263. So say 80 plus 84 plus say 88. Okay, 252, 81 plus 85 plus say 89, 255, 78 plus 86 plus 91, 255, and 79 plus 83 plus 87, that is 249. No, so see here mistake is there in the question itself, Narottam. Your answer should come 267. Why? Because 3 tests are there, and if the student improved her performance on each successive test by 4 marks, okay, so by 4 marks they are improving. So first of all you can see that A, so in A they are doing 80, 84, 88. Okay, let me do, it is correct. See 80, 84 and 88. So see 80, 84, 88, 4 mark difference is there, 4 successive marks improvement. So correct, that condition is satisfied. Second, 81, 85 and 89. So see 81 plus 4, 85, 85 plus 4, 89. This is also correct. Next, 78, 86 and 91. So it is not correct. Why? 78 plus 4, 82. So which is wrong. 86 is there. Next, 79, 83 and 87. 79 plus 4, 83, 83 plus 4, 87. This is also correct. Now you have to cross check that in which 255 you got. So say 80 plus 84, say plus 88. So you are getting 252. Here you are getting 252, which is wrong. Then next you have to do say 81 plus 85 plus 89. So you are getting 255, which is correct. And last one is 79 plus 83 plus 87. In that you are getting 249, which is wrong. So first you told 81, 85, 89, which is correct answer. Very good. Understood? Understood?
Yes.
So first of all, how to see? You have to see that 4 marks increasing. So see here 4 marks are increasing, here also increasing. Here it is not increasing 4 and here increasing. So this is removed first. Then you have to do this sum. So 252, 249. So the answer is 255. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, Narottam. So today till this we are doing. Okay, anyway, anytime mobile also can be switched off because battery is too low. So next we will do tomorrow. Okay,
Okay.
you understood today's class thoroughly?
Yes.
Okay, any doubt is there or anything, you can call me or say you can message also.
Okay.
Okay, bye. I hope you have enjoyed.
Yeah.
Okay, Narottam. Bye.
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 Have a good day, sir.
Yeah, same to you, Narottam. Have a good day.